Welcome to Econ Facts by a PhD, the channel where we share quick, interesting insights about economics and research, with no jargon and no fluff. Today I'm sharing my top tips for master's and PhD students to stay organized. Use the right tools and make the most out of their empirical research. Whether you're just starting your thesis or are deep into your dissertation, these tricks will save you time, stress, and maybe even your sanity. Let's start with organization, because research without structure is just chaos with citations. First, use a reference manager like Zotero or Mendeley. They save you hours when citing and help you avoid missing references. Second, always back up your work. Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, whatever works for you. If it's not saved in two places, it doesn't exist. Third, use digital organization tools. For example, OneNote is fantastic for keeping all your reading notes, meeting summaries and research ideas in one place, neatly divided into sections and searchable in seconds. And if you prefer a task-based view, project management tools like Notion or Trello can help track deadlines and to-do lists. Think of these as your research control center. If you're doing empirical research in the social sciences, your numbers are more than just figures. They're evidence that supports or challenges your hypotheses. Always know where your data comes from, and be ready to explain why it is the most suitable source for your research question. Check your data carefully during cleaning and analysis. In social sciences, even small coding errors or missing values can change your interpretation. Whenever possible, use reproducible workflows in software like RStata or Python to ensure transparency. Present your findings in a way that communicates clearly to both specialists and non-specialists. Well-structured tables, graphs with clear labels, and interpretations that link results back to your theoretical framework. Here's the secret sauce to finishing a thesis. Consistency beats inspiration. Write a little every day. Even short, regular writing sessions keep your ideas fresh and your momentum going. Separate creative thinking from editing. Let your thoughts flow first, then refine them. Discuss your work with peers, attend seminars, and share early drafts. In social sciences, the feedback process is essential because it helps you catch conceptual gaps and refine your arguments before you commit them to your final draft. So there you have it, the platforms, habits, and mindset that can turn a messy research journey into a smooth one. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Econ Facts by a PhD and share it with a fellow researcher. Remember, in research, neatness isn't just nice, it's necessary. And in my next video, I'll walk you through exactly how a thesis should be structured from start to finish, so stay tuned.